Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another weekly forecast. And yeah, it's been a while since I've done one of these. I've just managed to pick myself a good microphone, so hopefully the sound's nice and clear. But without further ado, let's get back into these. And yeah, I'll likely be doing more of these as time goes. So yeah, you should hear more of me. Anyway, let's get straight into it. So gold, what it's been doing? It's been doing some interesting things over. You could see the past few months actually. So this year you could see that price actually has sort of retraced, and then we had another bullish impulse to tag 2000s, right? So I've just had a quick sketch on what I'm expecting from gold. You can see that we had a bullish impulse here, and price sort of broke that trend line, and that has now retested in this area. I did send a sell setup on my on the Discord, sorry. You can see that price sort of retraced into our area, and we're having a sort of bearish impulse down, right? I'm expecting price to push further down here, trying to break these lows. This will then confirm a bearish sort of setup where price can now retrace this move and have a rejection off the 2000 level. If we don't get this move down, actually I'll get to that after. Let's talk about this move, and then we'll talk about the other scenario. If the price breaks past this low, I'm then expecting a push impulse up to break this 2000 level, because we do have liquidity sitting up here. I actually lost my here it is, so we just right click on there, say liquidity. So we do have liquidity sitting above this 2000 level, so I am expecting price to push here. This is the initial scenario. If price follows this structure, this then will mean that price will likely turn around into a bearish scenario, because we've already broken one structure here. If we can break some of these lows here, this can then say that right, price is starting to turn around. We collect the liquidity, which takes out the buyers, takes out the early sellers, sorry, and then price will then start to turn around, taking out those late buyers trying to get into that late pump to the moon. Right, that's one scenario. Let's talk about the other one. So the other scenario is that price continues to hold on to this trend line here, where price is just sort of broke the structure here, and now is still continuing. It's created liquidity, and then price just pushes straight up to continue up here, and then uses this as support to push even higher. And if we look over to the left, going to the 4-hour time frame, you can then see where we're targeting, right? Price is out here trying to push all-time highs, and yeah, we're pretty much close to that, and I wouldn't be surprised if gold pushes for that. But we've got to take things step by step. This is exactly what I look for. I look and wait for my setup. If it's not there, I then don't trade it. So pretty much. But yeah, I am still seeing the 1614 level, man. But you know, it is a triple bottom here with liquidity, but you know, we also did have that at 1680 for years. So yeah, we could see price pushing up with all the thing that's been going on in the economy. So that's pretty much it from the gold setup. So I'll leave at my main setup in the thumbnail, so you guys can see what I'm actually focusing on. It's usually a bearish move. I am in a sell from around 1994, so I'm pretty much up 100, 200 pips. So I am expecting price to continue pushing down, breaking 1937, and then pushing straight back up. And this will be where I get out my sell position, and then look for our buys around this area if price wants to push back up to that 2000 level, and then start creating that bearish structure where price will then start turning around. And here is where I will look to place my main sells, pushing towards the downside. So yeah, pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, subscribe, check out the links in the description. I've got my free Telegram, I've got our Discord, and I've got how to get access to that Discord for free through our broker. That's been always from Forex Funded. Peace out.